What's up? How is everyone doing? I hope you guys are really doing good. So this is Entitled Tech with another video. I'm going to show you how to download your favorite YouTube videos so that you can watch them offline. If you are new here, kindly subscribe, like, comment and share. And don't forget to turn on your post notification to be notified anytime I upload a new video. So let's go to App Store. You search for document. Then you download it. I have already downloaded it, so you just open. So now you go to YouTube. Then just search for any random video. Maybe let's just take maybe subscribe button. Just take any random video. Go here. Then you go to. You just click on the video. You click share. Then you copy the link. Then you come to document. You see this blue button under here, under the plus button. Click there. Then search for save from .net. So it said enter the URL. So you just enter the URL that you copied. So it will automatically search. Okay, that's it. Then you click download. Okay, so it said what? Save file. So you click done. And it will start downloading. As you can see, it's downloading. Okay, so that's it. It's done. So you come back to where the file is, the purple file is. Click on it. Then you click on document. Now you see the one you just downloaded. Here is it. Okay, so now we click here. If you want to copy it, you leave the file here anytime you want to bring it back, or if you like, you can move it. So when you move it, it will automatically leave this app. You will not see it on this app again, but you see it in your camera roll. But if you do copy, then that means the app will still be, the file will still be here and also be on your camera roll. So let's move it. So you choose photos. You go to photos, then you click move. So it said file moved. 3, 2, 1. So it's done. So you just go back to your camera roll. You go to your photos. As you can see, the video is here. So that's how you do it.